doing? My name is Marcus. I want to give a thanks out to all the people who watched and commented on my last video. I want to give a thanks out to Raz Schifrin for reposting and helping me get the message out to people, to be safe doing these speed runs. So mad thanks to everybody. Thanks to all my new subscribers, and I appreciate all y'all. Now this video right here is going to be about this ESR meter Mark II. It's a Lipo meter. What it's supposed to do is give me the true C rating of my batteries. So I have 3 batteries here I'm going to test, and that's going to be this China Hobby Line 70C, and the SMC SRD 6500 battery, and this HRB 6000 milliamp 100C battery. These are the batteries I'm going to test. This battery here is brand new. This one's brand new, never been used. This one I have used before. So I'm going to get them on this ESR meter and see what it tells me. This one says a 70C battery. This one says 150C, and this one's 100C. But this is supposed to give me the true C rating, tell me the real C rating of the battery. So I'm going to put them on here, and we're going to test it and see. I'm going to start off with this HRB battery. We'll start off with the HRB. So let's move them out the way and get this one set up. This is the HRD 6000 milliamp 100C. I'm going to check the C rating on this battery. Let me see what this is set for. 6500 milliamps. So let's fix that. Let's change that to choose, edit, change that to 6000. Yeah, that's a 6000 milliamp. Use it. Alright, battery set. I'm going to plug in the balance cord. Alright, balance cord plugged in. This is giving me 39%. These batteries are in storage mode. So we got 15.9. These total batteries are the cells. Let's see what I got here. Let's get the ESR max amps. It tells me this battery is a 25C battery. It is rated on the pack as a 100C battery, but here it tells me it's a 25C battery. The FOM stands for figure of merit. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but the higher this number is, the better condition the battery is. This is the max voltage for the whole battery. This is the voltage for each cells. Let's hit this again. Let's see what the IR 11.1 milliohms for the total battery. This is for each cell. 1.6, 1.5. Already got the voltage 3.8. That is the HRD 6000 milliamp 100C battery, and I prefer my IR to be under 10 for the total battery. I would like it to be under 10, so this battery is okay to me, in my opinion. And it says rated 25C. Let's try the next battery. This is the 70C China Hobby Line. This one's red 70C. Alright, let's fix that. No, let's hold down so we can change that to 5000. Use it. Alright. Now it's in storage mode. 5000 milliamps. Let's hook up the balance. Balance lead plugged in. Let's see what we got here. 3.8 per cell, 56% charged, 5000 milliamps. Let's see what that gives us. It says this battery is a 30C. 30C battery, FOM 2.0. What's that? Max amps at 152. What's the amps per cell? Let's go see what the IR is. Say this one's at 10.4, so this one's okay. I would like it to be under 10, but that's for the total battery. It's wires and everything. So all the connections, wires, that's the total IR. But for each cell, it's only 1.21, you know, they're all around 1.2. That's great. So stereo small. Now let's try the next battery. Okay, this is the SRD 6500 milliamps. So that means we have to change this. Didn't hold it long enough. Choose that, edit, 0.6, 8500. Use it. Okay, 6500 milliamps, 1500 volts. Let's hook up the balance lead. Balance lead hooked up. Where we at? 47% charge, 6500 milliamps. That's in storage mode, 3.8. Let's see what this is rated at. 29C. Say on here that around here, if you can see it, there's a 150C battery. That's what it say. Well, this has it at 29C. 1.68 FOM. So the 3.8. Total max amps 187, and then 198 each for each cell. Let's go and see what the. Oh yeah, I like that. Internal resistance for the whole pack is at 8.5. I like that. This cell is at 0.99, 0.91, 1 point. I like that. I like the internal resistance on this pack. And max amps, 187 max amps. You know, for the whole battery. I like it. I think this one is in better condition than that one and that one, according to this meter. But it still says we're rated at 29C. So in my opinion, when I want to run, I'm going to use this battery. If I don't use that one, then I will use this one. After that, I will use this one. Because I think this battery should give me a little bit more power than this one and this one. So that's how you use the ESR meter, the Mark II ESR meter. Thank everybody for watching. I appreciate it. Appreciate you. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.